HVAC people!
All right, so we got a no heat call. Say the blower not coming on, it's not responding to thermostats. It got like 4 units in this house, so let's see if we can figure out what's going on. All right, so I'm gonna do some inspection on these units. He said they did start back working. But he said he think the thermostat wasn't responding. So he wanted me to take the thermostats off of a schedule, if they on schedule. And he just want to control the manual. So that's a zone system there. So I see 2 up here. I go to the 3rd one. There's 3. That one not calling for. So I see 3. So he must got another unit on the other side of the house. So the homeowner's not here. He got his sister helping me find it, but she don't really know where anything is at. But I'm gonna start at the thermostat and turn everything to heat mode. I heard that would kick on. So it's a huge house, so I'm just gonna try to get kind of familiar with what controls what. That's that one. So I'm just gonna make sure they kick on, and then I'll do an inspection on it. That one kicked on. So I'm gonna go find a thermostat for this one and leave this one running. Make sure it don't go off in an alarm. I need to go ahead and mark them. That won't work. It's number 4. It's 67 in here. All right. See, it's 67 in here, so I'm gonna put that on manual. So I think it's following the schedule and turned it off. think that's the master bedroom now. All right, anyway, I'm finna go ahead and end this video. I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on and do some maintenance on these units. All right, so I took a couple weeks off for the holidays. Today Monday, first Monday of 2021. So we get back to rolling. I got calls all this week I gotta catch up on. Doing a few maintenances. Got to change the condenser fan motor out, I think this afternoon. Got a no heat call this afternoon. So, got to get my legs back up under me, but I'm going to go ahead and knock this out, because like I said, I got quite a bit to do today. So, see if we can figure out what's going on. But this unit here kind of loud, so I think I'm going to start on here first. I think this is the master bedroom. And should be one more unit probably on the other side of the house that I'm gonna have to locate. They have 4 units and there's 3 of them. So anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out. I wish everybody a successful 2021. Get out here and grind, go get it. Peace out, WW HVAC. All right, so I had to contact tech support because I forgot how, and I didn't have the instruction to change the schedule. Well, delete the schedule and just put it on manual mode. So he's going to walk me through how to change them out. Basically, you just press system on the thermostat. It's a touch screen. Do I just press them or hold them down? And all the blanks going to be it's going to turn blank at the bottom when you press system. And the blank spaces 2 and 4, okay. You hold them together and you can change the numeric numbers. I see 0, 1, 2, 0 on one end and 20 on the other.
Hit the APPAREL directly to the right of the 0120, so in the middle there, until you see 0160.
Okay, 0160. Then I got 4 on the other.
Yeah, hit the down arrow to the right of the 4 to a 0, and then hit done.
Okay.
And then now your schedule's removed.
Okay, that removes the schedule. Okay, great.
Yep.
All right, thanks a lot. That's what I needed.
Absolutely. Nothing else to offer you?
No, that'll work. I think I have another. Another one. I think they're the same model number though. And I just do the same thing on all of them, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Change to the 160 to 0.
Okay. Let me. 2. And what was that number again?
0160 on the left.
Mm-hmm.
And then should read 0 on the right.
Okay.
Non-programmable.
All right, appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. You have a great rest of your day, and thank you very much for calling.
Okay, thank you. All right, so that was Honeywell tech support. So if the homeowner ever wanted to just do away with the schedule and control it on their own, you just go to system, put system until you get blanks down here, and press the 2. Just hold these 2 buttons. And then you'll get this. And if I go to 160, because I didn't have the manual, so I don't know this. So, and I guess 0160 and then 0 on this side, we'll clear the schedule out. Okay. And that's pretty much all he wanted. So I'm gonna go do that to all 4 thermostats. I still gotta locate the 3rd one. But I checked the heaters out, the heater's running good. On one of them, I'm gonna replace an inducer fan motor. And but everything else checked out good. So I found this in the attic. That's why I got it in my hand. I didn't bring out my torches today. So my whole system too. Okay, the reason for doing this is because when it's following the schedule, if you got the heat set for like 62, it'll override for a while if you set the set point to like 75, but it'll go back to 62 probably after an hour or so. All right, it's a winner there. Okay, so this thermostat here is a little different. I'm more familiar with these. It's the kind of newer touchscreen. That 1728 sticker right there is kind of like a passcode for the installer or the technician or even a homeowner to make changes inside the thermostat. So on this, instead of following the schedule, I'm just going to set it to a non-programmable thermostat. So I just got to remember that code 1728. And as you see, I am scrolling through and installer options. That's when I enter 1728. Then press done. Now I can make changes to the system. So I go back to installer setup. You see it says residential thermostat and you see programmable. I'm just going to switch it to non-programmable. And pretty much now it's in manual mode. It's not going to follow the schedule. So press done. And do you want to save changes? Yes. So it's saving the changes and now the schedule is out. So in heat mode, you see it's 68. Got the set point at 75. So in this right here, like I said, I'm just going through it again. I think putting the password back in 1728 just to make sure. And like I say, the reason for doing this is it don't have to follow the schedule. So like I say, if the schedule has the heat at 65 and the cool at 75, I don't know exactly how long the override is when you put it in manual mode, but it's going to go back to the schedule. So maybe in the middle of the night, it was going back to 62 degrees and what's staying at 75, what the homeowner had it set at. So just remember though, it doesn't have auto switch. When you take non-program off, it's not going to have an auto switch. So you can't set the cool to 74 and the heat to 68. Because auto switch, if it go below 68 degrees, the heater will turn on. If it goes above whatever the cool set point, the cooling is set on. So when you do it in non-program, to put it on cool, you got to actually go to the thermostat and put it in cool mode. And likewise with the heat, you have to put it in, you have to go to system and put it in heat mode. And if you want to turn it off, you got to go to system and press off. All right, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. All right, HVAC people.